Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. The home selling is well on its way. We just had an open house, so I am in super minimalism mode, sell everything, declutter, but I struggle to let go of my childhood things. Let's do some research to see what we can do about this. Okay, according to Google AI, we need to start sorting them into keep, donate, sell, trash. This Reddit thread is saying to take a photo, maybe write about the memory with the toys and objects, but we are gonna do one better and make it into a YouTube video. The sorting is going good. This stack of paper I'm gonna throw away, but it is nice seeing my organic chemistry midterm knowledge that I knew pretty decently at one point, but zero idea what any of that means now. I wanna go through these stack of cards because some of them are pretty funny. More toys to look through. The Connects, Pokemon, and Nerf guns, I'm gonna do some research to see if those are worth anything to sell. But first, we're gonna take these old clothes to sell, donate. Real random skateboard bearings. This had to be from middle school. Let's head out. We really like our local consignment shops that buy, sell used vintage clothing. Since we are donating them anyways, might as well try to make a few bucks. The 3 medium-sized bags we brought got $50, not bad. They also work with local charities. I put a bunch of my homework in the recycling, but the wife wants me to keep some of them. This one is from middle school and it actually looks pretty cool. I remember working hard, drawing the map and coloring it in. I still have to go through the holiday cards and start posting the toys online. I can't seem to let go of these sticker books over here, still emotionally attached. So the compromise will be going from this pile over here to this little box. We're gonna save 2 of the Nerf guns, a few of the Pokemon toys, definitely not as hardcore as Marie Kondo or some of the content creators out there for decluttering and minimalism. Really like the idea of taking a photo to remember the things from your childhood and past that we are fond of. These will have permanent residence on the YouTube now. Can't wait to see where all this goes. Video 382 done.